display running in from our left. On the French side was a company called Capelle Aviation, which had been involved in recovering a large number of Yak 11-seat form, and this one is a two-seater, hence the UTI designation, which was used by the Soviets to mean two-seat trainer.
And I think an interesting engine on this particular aircraft, not exactly original. No. Some of the Yaks were re-engined because the original liquid-cooled engine, as always happens, fighter aircraft are pressed into the ground attack role, whether they're built for it or not.
Yes.
And liquid-cooled engines tend to be a little bit vulnerable to ground fire because they rely so much on tubing and piping for cooling that one single rifle round in the wrong spot of the engine, you lose all your coolant. 90 seconds later, your engine seizes. So a radial engine, which relying on air for cooling, is much more robust against ground fire.
And particularly in this sort of low-level regime. Now we saw the French Air and Space Force, as it's now known, at the start of the show with their Phoenix parachute team. There's a really strong ties between the Free French forces under Charles de Gaulle and their Soviet counterparts. Originally the unit was simply named Normandie, but the name Yemen was later added.
Berlin airlift. It's generally regarded as the 1948 Yaks air disaster. Mid-air collision in the aerospace above Berlin, cited during the Berlin airlift. In fact, it's the British European Airways, that the Yaks pilot was performing aerobatics before the collision. Sadly, all 10 passengers on the airliner, as well as the Russian pilot, were killed. That sparked a huge diplomatic issue, probably the first of many.
Undertook harassment of Western aircraft using the air corridors, which were the only routes from West Germany across East German territory to the divided city of Berlin. It's something of a miracle there weren't more such disasters.